Upwork is a great place to find virtual assistant client, but it might not be a good idea for you to start with Upwork. If you are a complete beginner, you don't have enough extra income to put into buying Connect, because buying Connect, applying to jobs on Upwork is expensive. One job costs more than 16 Connect now on Upwork, and with 100 Connect cost around $15 to $20. With 100 Connect, you can only apply for a few jobs. That might not be sustainable, especially if you are in Africa, because $20, if you convert it to your local currency, it might be some good amount of money that you don't have. And that is why if you are a complete beginner, you don't have enough income to put into buying Connect, do not start with Upwork. There are many other reliable places to find virtual assistant client. The first thing that you shall make sure of is make sure you have a reliable portfolio. Create a very good and attractive portfolio in Canva. When you have your professional branding, you have some work samples that you can show off to potential client, then you can use other platforms like freelancer.com. I know Upwork and Fiverr are the biggest right now, but Upwork is too expensive if you don't have enough income to buy Connect. And Fiverr, with the current settings of Fiverr, it is really not great for beginners, because you have to create your gigs and wait for potential client to send you a message. And when you don't have any credibility, that is going to be very hard. So starting with Upwork or Fiverr, it might really not be a good idea. Start with freelancer.com. Freelancing platforms are great for beginners, but currently right now, with all the features of all of them, I believe freelancer.com is even better for beginners to get started. Previously, I advised beginners to not even look at freelancer.com because I didn't like it very much. But the thing about freelancing platforms is they make changes continuously. Sometimes Upwork will make some changes and it will be the best for beginners. Sometimes Fiverr will make some changes and it will be the best for beginners. And that is why you have to adapt and work with the option that is best for you in the current moment. With freelancer.com, with $5, you can pay for their membership. For $5, you can send 50 proposals. So with $5, you get 50 proposals. You really stand a chance. And if you pay $10, you can send up to 100 proposals in a month. So sending 100 proposals in 1 month is a good place to get started with. And $10 is all you need to do that. And that is why I believe freelancer.com is really the best place for beginners right now. If you have never used freelancer.com, you just need to spend some time, create your account, go through the platform, figure out how it works, learn how it works. You can create your account without joining the membership. I think if you didn't join the membership, you can only send maybe 4 or 5 proposals per month. So just use that as a test. Create your account, send proposals with a free account and see how it works, so that when you are ready, you can pay for their membership and you will start sending good proposals on the platform. Based on my own personal experience, there are more low-paying clients on freelancer.com compared to Upwork and Fiverr. But still, if you are a beginner, you just want something that will help you break through. If you find some client, even if they are low-paying client, you can use the money you make on freelancer.com to buy Connect on Upwork. And if you have some client reviews on freelancer.com, you can show that reviews to the client that you are going to go after on Upwork or any other platform. So instead of Upwork, instead of Fiverr, start with freelancer.com. And one thing to remember is you don't have to rely only on freelancing platforms, because there are so many different places to find clients. I know many people who find all their clients on LinkedIn. I know some people who never even use a freelancing platform and they build a successful virtual assistant career. And LinkedIn is a very good place to be as a virtual assistant. But the other place that I really like, I find many clients, is Facebook groups. I find several clients in Facebook groups. There are many spammy Facebook groups, but there are good Facebook groups. If you join Facebook groups, even Facebook groups that virtual assistants hang out in, there are people who have virtual assistant agencies. And if they have too much work, they need the help of other virtual assistants to help them take care of some minor tasks. And if you are in those kind of groups, you will be able to find those kind of people with virtual assistant agencies. And because one person cannot do everything, you will be able to get a referral. You stand a chance of getting a referral if you are in a good Facebook group. For example, someone might have a client that they are helping. They are working for the client, and the client wants someone to do maybe to set up their email marketing campaign. And if their virtual assistant doesn't have experience in that area, they can help them look for a virtual assistant to do that. And if you have experience in that area, you will be able to connect with the virtual assistant and you will be able to get a client through referral that way. So being in Facebook groups is a great place to find virtual assistant client. I found many virtual assistant clients in Facebook groups. If you are in the groups, you are communicating in the groups, you are posting and engaging with other people, you stand a chance of getting referrals or getting hired by people who have virtual assistant agencies. And that is my advice for anyone who wants to start virtual assistants today. If you want to start, you don't have the money to invest in buying Connect continuously on Upwork before you succeed, start with freelancer.com. With $5 or $10, you can get 100 proposals per month and join Facebook groups, reliable, good Facebook groups, connect with other people, and you stand a chance of getting referrals or people who have virtual assistant agencies. And very important, also create a good profile on LinkedIn, connect with people, and look for real opportunities on LinkedIn. This might be the best way for you to find clients as a virtual assistant today. If you find this video helpful, check out this next video where I'm going to show you all the places I ever found clients as a virtual assistant. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.